The next one is parallel line through a point. So for that, you need to make a line. And then we're doing this by copying angle. So for this particular construction, there are actually multiple ways to do it, which is great, but I want us to practice this one because it's a key concept, how parallel lines make the same angles. Okay, so that's what you get on the test. First step is make a line, and then we're going to copy this angle up here. So this is the same thing as copying angle, but what makes it a little tricky is remember this point is our new angle now. But whereas last time we copied an angle, the new line we found go up from there. The new line we're going to find is going to go on the bottom, because this is the parallel line in here somewhere. We need to find it exactly. But we can find it exactly by copying this angle up to here. All right, so first step, find 2 points, measure down 2 points from the corner. Pin in the vertex of the angle we're copying. 2 marks. Bam, bam. Go to the new spot from the vertex, the future vertex. The pin goes in that spot that's going to be the vertex. Come down far enough. 2 spots. Bam. Wait, we don't know where that bam is yet. Let's go measure it on the first angle that we do know. Okay, I have to push my compass down smaller till it's the right size. Then I make the little mark to test it. Another great one. Wow, this has been a great day. Pin up. Remember we measured here with the pin. Go. That's not the vertex. That is up the arm. So we go up the arm to that point. That's the same point. Okay, and now that's the second bam. We can connect that to the vertex. Yes, look how wonderfully parallel those are. Okay, next one is make a rhombus. So even on the test, this one's from scratch. So how do you make a rhombus from scratch? Make a line. You make another line. You measure your line with the compass. You mark that point there. So now we have 2 lines of the same length. Remember, a rhombus has 4 sides of the same length. That's 2. The next one could stretch over like this, go on that curve somewhere, but it also needs to be the same distance from this point. Ah, that's it. Now that might seem similar to angle bisector, and it is. It's just, what do you do with it? Do you connect it to the center of that angle and bisect? Well, that's the bisector construction. Rhombus construction, you connect it to these 2 points that we found, and that is a rhombus. There's another way I saw students doing it, which is to make a circle, basically. You need to know where the pin is. Just make whatever lines you want, doesn't matter, as long as they're the same length. So 2 radiuses. Then take that same setting, same radius, and find the 4th corner from there. So if that makes more sense to you, go ahead and do it that way. Make the circle first, then just make 2 random radiuses, and then find. All right. And lastly, the equilateral triangle. Good thing most people got this. That means most people did some of their homework, because this construction was in the homework like a bajillion times. Hey, look, my compass is already set to the right distance. What are the chances? What are the chances? That point is the same distance from both of the other points of the triangle. So practice these more than once until you have it down and you know all the steps. And so one way is to look at the spreadsheet and don't look at any video, just look at the spreadsheet. It says the construction, build the construction on a blank paper. You should be able to do that for all of the things in the list. Okay.